Hi, this is RotFai Project, a train booking web application using .NET, MVC5, and Microsoft SQL Server. So this is the main concept of our project is that we're gonna mimic the train company in United States. So we just imagine we have 100 trains, amount of train we have, and 200 routes we service. So our train is gonna be through every state in US. For example, New York, San Francisco, or Chicago. So let's take a look at the project. So we write the control here as C#. We have the controller and model and build. So first we create a model here as to store the information we want. So we have the admin login page here for admin for login, class, passenger, promotion route, etc. So this class is going to have the primary key to store in the database and to send the foreign key out. So this iCollection here is to send the foreign key out. And to receive the foreign key in, it's gonna look like here, public virtual schedule. This ticket model receive the foreign key for schedule model, and we set the schedule ID as the foreign key. And next we going to register that in our context files. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have a total of 9 models, and we're gonna use it all, and so we're gonna register it all in here to migrate to database. Next we're gonna register this context files to the startup.cs files. So we're gonna use here 10 context, train context here, which is the name of this C# files, and use SQL Server to this dev connection part, which is located in here, app setting location. So we specify the connection string here as dev connection. It can be other name too as you want. So the server here is going to be local or my personal computer, and in the SQL Express, which is the Microsoft SQL Express here, and the neighbor database here, and this is the setting for the connections. After setting that all, we're gonna here go to choose, look at package manager console. Oops, sorry, I think I'm running the project. Okay, let's stop running it for now. Go to it again, and if we haven't created the database for the first time, we're gonna do the migration here. To add a migration, we need a name for the migration files. For example, initial create. So if you enter, you're gonna create a folder and files like this with the name of initial create. I already created that, so I'm not going to create that. After that, you update the database, and if you enter, boom, the database is going to be updated. So take a look at the create database here. We have all the table we want, and we can inspect, we can generate the database diagram here. It will be automatically generated because we have set all the foreign key in this Visual Studio already. So here you can see it's going to be linked all except this, because this didn't store any information related to our train system. It only store the username and passwords for admin. Okay, next we will we will generate the controller files here using any framework. Select the model that we create, the train context, and this should be the layout racing files that the program generate initially. So if you, for example, if you create this tickets controller, the real folder of tickets will be automatically generated with 5 pages, including CRUD operations page and index page. So do this for all model we want. And after that, we will run the project to simulate the website on localhost. So here, the RotFai project is our project. So we have this is the first page, and is the terminal, the station, anything that I want to show, and these are 2 tabs for the customer. So customer will register their name here. This includes the first name, last name, contract, date of birth, and prefix. So here you enter all. You can for the LGBT community, you can enter any other prefix you want. And the book a ticket here, you can take a look at the part here. For example, New York City to Boston, or Chicago to New York City, or San Francisco to Sacramento. Also the class price and training board. We can click the book ticket now, the issue, for example, today, and select other primary key from other model. So select the value you want and click buy ticket. The page will ask a confirmation of this. So do you sure want to confirm to buy this? So if you don't, you close. If you want to edit more, you can close. But if you are okay, so you can click a buy ticket here. For the admin page, it consists of the username and password login as usual. So I'm gonna log in. If the login or the username and password is correct, it's going to show this page. But what if maybe the passenger want to access this page? What if they input the wrong username and password? Okay, here example of inputting wrong username or password. Login failed. Are you an admin? No. Okay, let's take a look for the admin page. So we have rules. The admin can edit, create, edit, update, and delete all of the data rows in all of these tables. There are rules. So we can create new rules as an admin. We can enter all these things here and edit, view details, and delete. Oh, I forgot one thing. So, if the customer enter all the information there specified for a ticket, and they want to print, for example, print the boarding pass or a ticket to use, you can click the detail here. So this will automatically generate from the primary key that I select from every connected foreign key. So the pilot station here, Grand Central Terminal, destination station, South Station, platform number 1, class economy, aisle 1, seat 1, check-in time, departure time, estimated time of arrival. So these information are for Mr. Ronwin here, and this is the discount price for him because we have 5% discounts or for every route. So every route is going to have 5% discount. No matter there will be super long routes or they boot the first class, and it is the total price that they have to pay. Okay, so these are the demonstration of the RotFai project. I hope everything is good and clear, and if there are any updates or any further development, I will tell you and record a video. Thank you.